Hello, let's visit for a couple of minutes about the effect of gifts on Medicaid qualification for nursing home long-term care payments. So if a family member applies to get Medicaid to pay for nursing home care for a different family member or for themselves, they have to meet an asset test and an income test in order to qualify for Medicaid to pay their long-term care. But let's assume for a moment that they meet that their assets are below the asset limit and that their income is below the income limit, or they've done a qualified income trust to qualify. Then they apply for Medicaid to pay for their long-term care or their nursing home care. One of the questions that's going to be asked on the Medicaid application is, have you made any gifts in the last 5 years? So if you answer yes, this is going to be a problem and is going to cause some sort of disqualification for your Medicaid benefit. It's going to impose a penalty based on the amount of the gift. And this question, this 5-year question, is sometimes called the 5-year look back. So basically, Medicaid says, have you made any gifts in the 5 years prior to applying for Medicaid assistance? And if so, then there's going to be some sort of penalty for doing that. That penalty, again, is based on the amount of the gift. So let's understand that the average cost for a nursing home is close to $6,000 in the state of Texas. But for round numbers, let's say $5,000 is the average cost of a nursing home care. If before applying for nursing home care, I had made a gift of $5,000 to one of my kids within the last 5 years. Now I apply saying I'm qualified for Medicaid benefits. And then they ask me if I've made a gift, and I say, yes, I made a $5,000 gift 3 years ago. Then they're going to approve me for Medicaid benefits. But they're going to impose a penalty period, and they're going to say, you're approved. We will pay for your Medicaid for your long-term care, but we will not pay for 1 month of care because we are going to penalize that gift you made 3 years ago to your son. Now, if my gift had been $25,000, then they're going to divide it by the average cost of nursing home care, and my penalty is going to be more like 5 months instead of 1 month. So if I've given away $300,000 in the last 5 years, my penalty period is going to be much longer. So we have to evaluate when we apply for Medicaid how much gifts were made over the last 5 years. And sometimes it makes more sense to wait until 5 years has passed to apply for Medicaid from the date of the gift than it does to apply for Medicaid and get a penalty for the gift. So that's the effect of a gift upon Medicaid for long-term care.